And I need to help on the class, my husband. On a stink like Moran nose hole. Move on the blood clot. Never know. Sir, my arm never kick the right blood clot. We make me tell you a liquid blood clot. I want to know. You know how name this? You don't know me? Me no blood clot mingle. As much as I see me upon this. So if there any blood clot thing, I might want to stick with blood clot. That lie, all of them give me problem. And me that. No pussy, no cocky, no blood clot breast, no lip, no mouth, no toe, no blood clot finger. Now go come back internet. Come deteriorate my husband and try him down. I feel like I can embarrass him to all the blood clot world. I'm going to help you to embarrass him. Me no yes, girl. Me no press button. Me no copy blood clot cap. The more I want class my blood clot husband, and the more I want to stand up to you. Low blood clot me and my husband. Dirty mad bandage shit house, girl. You fuck like blood clot guinea pig. Yeah, that's how you're ignorant for me and my blood clot husband. Till death do us blood clot part, I mean, I stand by that man then. Go not blood clot like it's in a bite it. Me, I stand by him. That's why God make him give me his name. Because him know me I go stand by blood. I don't give a fuck when I know what I say. When I stink like me and do it after fuck. Morning. I've been enough phone, man. Bumba clot. I'm try. Yeah, man, it's too fucking enough, man. Good morning, Royal Crazies. Good morning to the two Royal Crazy. I'm not get too much blood clot talking and trouble, man, and idea. And the top except on the blood clot, man. And I am alone blood clot. Fuck, suck, lick, bite, our blood clot. Someone will never get the blood clot chance if it was for that piece of drug here with your blood clot dead meat. And I get like a chance. And I want to put it on night to stop. Prepare this all. Queenie have the worst husband. I don't have the worst blood clot husband. Leave me my blood clot husband. Till that does blood clot pass and come kiss out there and do it. Blood clot like the one my tongue gets doing for the because do it go fuck. Him supposed to blood clot fuck white, pink, yellow, purple, mauve and blood clot. We want to not see me anymore. On have blood clot heart attack because there's no trouble with no pussy. We don't have no respect for no own self. That's why man can't catch and fuck out on a dirty blood clot. I want to get blood clot cocky I want more. I want to create blood clot problem because I say Queenie all I shall get too much. I was signed for that. You hear that? On for respect on a blood clot self. On want to test who can suck cocky more. Every girl suck cocky different. On want to test who can lick up bottom more. Every girl lick up bottom different. On want test who can bite big toe. Every blood clot girl bite big toe different. There's no blood clot comparison with the Queen. The one I want to win a competition with blood clot, man. I don't no competition with nobody more than myself. So tell me who are the judges of me. I don't know and I don't care about you know. All I know I know say yes, Shan him left because him they got do this. And two me say me can't stand him Queen if I left him. I fight the whole blood clot. All if him come to blood clot, me I'll fight him too. Move on a dirty blood clot. And understand what strong blood clot warrior girl is. And I think that I can't what? None of blood clot. Oh no. And then I saw God make me firm, sturdy, and proud. It's a blood clot confident. It's a confidence make any blood clot cocky stand up. You hear that? It's the confidence of me having a life. None of blood clot and nah believe it. What gonna feel like? And I think it's nice. And I sit down and I cook up my relationship. Everybody have an opinion. Then they message me. And I be rude. And I write when I want to write. And I talk when I want to talk. And I have no feelings, man. Yes, but if I feel some type of way, I'm going to bag my face and hide. Morning. Oi. Morning, wakey, rise and shine. In the cell. Yeah. Eh? Oh. I'm glad my turban and blood clot. You know? And the more coming like the pies, the group of fish them. I have to rebuke on a dirty blood clot. Trample on her. I send you back to the pit of hell. I refuse you lot. I send you back to sender. No weapons formed against Queenie and Dewey shall prosper. Leave me, I'm alive. I'm live my blood clot life. I'm back out my life for my own. I know I'm for pinch off this if I'm going to put big death. And none of blood clot you can't tell me how to run it. Some of don't even have no blood clot life. You know that never get an honor from a blood clot, man. Anything I do my husband, I stand there and bomber clot him. See me and class on a dirty blood clot. I tell him the son of pussy think like my one. Moving a thinking pussy blood clot. Where? I'm not cuss no blood clot. Me, nah cuss. Me Queenie, nah cuss my husband for none of blood clot. You believe me? Yeah. I'll have a word with him. One or two blood clot enough. Honestly, man, I'm buckled there in, there out. This, that, that, and I'm still out. I'm better than Queenie. I can do what Queenie do more than 10 times. Who is Queen? I am the fucking queen. There is no comparison to the queen. You hear that? How many times never tell her no? No blood clot comparison to me. You hear that? You can't ruin that. Bomber clot! Woo! Just today at Jamaica, breathe and blow. Oh my God! To God be the glory. Great things he has done, and give us the victory again and again. Praise the Lord, let the world hear his voice. Praise the Lord, let the people. You see someone on a dirty blood clot. Let me talk to someone on a dirty blood clot. I'm going to turn on the AC, them my husband. Some on a stinking nasty blood clot germs bag. We're strong as in class, my some on a mother. I don't know upset when the kids to who they are. A lot of them make pity them go stray behind stray. Because you have sometimes kids choose them part because them want to choose them part and be unruly. And then sometimes you have you parents who push away your kids because you don't give them love, you don't listen to them, and you don't give them time to express themselves. No. You have a son and him a thief. You're embarrassed because your church sister say your son a thief. So you angle your son bad. You know, try to make a relationship with that child. And see a better that come here. Hate him, you despise him because I'm a thief. Same thing you have a gunman son. You know, rate your gunman son. Same thing you have a daughter who go backward, go sell pussy. And choose to sell pussy, you condemn her. That is what a lot of you Jamaican do. Now giving up to them tough love. And the next thing on a dirty blood clot Jamaican do as mothers. Me I tell you now, how me say a lot of do. On a class judgment on the kids and to stop it. I'm telling you, I think I hate them called generational curse. It's nasty. Yeah, but child, I gotta tell them say, them so kill you. Not no good now, come out of you. You want to go what this boy? It is not tolerated. Words are very powerful. And it's the same thing when you have a husband or you have a wife. Them say, see me and come live with me. It's two different things. No. If you not live with somebody, you're not going to know them good, them bad, and the indifference. The things that them like from what them don't like is true. I don't know me for 20 years. Until you actually may live in the same roof, wake up a morning time, you know if my mouth stink when I wake up, you know if my bottle clean, and you know if my ears will have bit or something in it. Because we live out, so we learn off of each other. No practice. I'll be a perfect example to the fucking world until the day I die. You know why? I am a true, authentic person. Within myself, liberty and humanity, I believe in. Some man don't want to have a husband and them can't pay the rent, when go fuck and get other man to pay the rent for 1 half and then all thing go around one time rent. Some man don't have a pitney and you say them a bus shot and the moment them a bus shot and condemn them. It's the same for the same. It's the same thing now when I want me Queenie as a powerful woman. We go Elsha for my husband birthday. Got married to my husband. Sign say for better or for worse with my signature. I know when worse come for me because of publicity, humanity, and all of your nasty what you lot to say about me. Me if you turn my back against my husband, all in my blood clot shame me and shame my whole up and do it, do it. Do that does bad, do it. You understand? Me really cough. That's pretty house. Do it, me now get back this. Sometimes it can't spin around. Why? It not highlighted, so you know. One of the day I chat say now. Me no business on none of no one sex. If you ever know the amount of problem in the world and the things that are going in the world, see man, apart from a blood clot fender, nasty, dirty blood clot, they want to come suck me again, me just remember. Apart from a fender, nasty, dirty blood clot neighbor, none of them can chat to blood clot. Because me there in Jamaica, the amount of blood clot things in me here. I have to say to my husband, say, Dewey, nothing now going with me, you. Clot, some people live some blood could pretty see. I see the kernel for sure now. Leave me and my husband. And my husband, anything him is my one. And I can't make true on me this husband. I will not. Never! Blood clot. I want to feel like, do we stop rising for baby? I like them strip for me, please. Make him a fire. Make him a fire. Make him a fire. Make him a fire. Blood clot. And I watch the skin and a dirty perverted blood clot. You know. When I purr from my skin, my pussy all blood clot. But see that? No stocking me.